Get him in, get him in.
Where did those fires come from?
Hey, heads up, he's coming in, he's coming in.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm with you.
Hurry, no, move it up. Let's go. Hey, you got the second deck clear? Hey, where did those fires come from? Hey, Sander! Yeah! Get up here! Roger, it's your window. Hey, get your hands up. Get on that window. It's out there.
Coming in, Smith. Hey, keep that shit in there.
6 actual and 6-3.
Hey, do you need something to put it on? Should I bring that barrel in here?
No, I'll put it on the freaking windowsill.
Okay.
Alright. Hey, sling your weapon. Hey, Smith, is that gun up? Got it, yeah. Sling your weapon. Hey, where are we suppressing at? Hey, you're gonna look at C4. It's that building right there with the open staircase we're going to next. Do your best angle of fire. Yeah, no, 240 right there.
Yeah.
Get out.
Engage.
Misfire.
Misfire! Push it, push it. 240 up!
Hey!
Hey, they're reloading. Get some fire. They're reloading.
Hey, second deck! Left burner hole!
Second deck, left murder hole! Second deck, left murder hole! Shift fire! Where are we shifting to?
240 still up!
Perino! Where are we shifting to?
Hey, stay on C4, Smith!
Stay on C4, suppress, get some runs on roof.
What's up?
Hey, we're just trying to find out where we shift to.
That 240 still up! Hey, stay on
Hey, 240 still up. Yeah, stay there. I got rounds ready. Reloading! Murder hall, second story, B6!
Hey, we're pushing in 16 rounds through that. There's a murder hole in that second deck we always saw. That's the only thing I've seen. You guys see anything else? Right below 240 in the left murder hole, second deck.
Hey, do you want me to engage Finley?